Hi, my name's Bryan Wheeler. We're here in Fredericksburg, Virginia. We get really hot summers here. The lawn likes to go dormant during that time, but most of the time we have pretty rainy springtime and the lawn goes crazy, so it needs constant attention. The most frustrating part for me for maintaining this property is I hate mowing, almost with a passion. You know, I have seasonal allergies. Then we have the heat and other challenges, and honestly, just most of the time when I have free time, you know, there's always something going on with the family. I didn't know autonomous mowing was a thing, and I happened across a YouTube video one day where people were talking about technology, and they showed an autonomous snowblower, and they're like, hey, you know, there's this company that's, you know, got this autonomous snowblower, and they're looking to make it modular and have other modules to do mowing and leaf blowing and possible trimming and edging. For me, you know, the modularity and the fact that I could use it year-round, but really for me it was lawn care, because I hate doing lawn care. That thing is tiny. It's really nice. All right, so we're gonna start the unboxing here. We've got the M-Series lawnmower module, and looks like we have the 20 amp hour M20 core unit here. So let's get the mower module on. This should be interesting. We just drove it off the dock, made a pathway from the dock to the area that we're going to create here, and we're just going to do a nice little square area here and just see what happens. So we're going to start mapping the area. Go ahead and hit start. All right, so we just finished setup, and we're going to start mowing with it. You can see here we've got some tall fescue, different heights here. It's just starting to green up for the coming out of winter here. This is kind of what it looks like right now, and then we'll see what it looks like after. So we're also going to try it over here on some slope area. We've also got some leaves over here from the tree line. We'll see what it can do, trying to mulch up some of those leaves, and just see how it does. All right, so the M-Series just finished mowing. You can see this area here has been cut, and this side over here has not been, so you can kind of see the difference. This was cut at 2.5 inches versus 3 inches over here, which is what I typically cut at, and it's probably a little taller than that because I haven't mowed in months at this point. But you can see it did a pretty good job. So we just finished mapping out a small test area here. But right now it's grass and some mud spots. We got a little bit of a slope here, so we're going to see what the M-Series can do with the slope. The M-Series is perfect for the smaller, compact yards. You know, I think if you have a lot of intricate work that you have to do as far as small, tight areas, then it might be perfect for those yards too. So now we're going to go and see how well the mower will handle leaves and how well it'll mulch them up, or see what it does. All right, so we just got done manually driving the Mower Pro through some of the leaves here, and quite a few sticks and stuff in here. So it takes a few passes, but it's cutting them up really nicely. I'm pretty happy with it. What, 5 or 6 passes, and you know it'll be good, I think. So, but you can hear it just hitting the sticks and stuff, and it's working great. Didn't even phase it, you know. So doing well. I like it. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with it so far. I think it handled everything I threw at it today. I think the LiDAR is going to be nice for complete dark mowing, turn all the lights off and send this thing out in the middle of the night. This is just a early production or early prototype unit, so I think the production unit's going to be even better. So looking forward to it.
Yarbo, the modular yard robot for every season.